Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Al Lucchino. Thank you for joining me in our virtual showroom at Harley-Davidson in Danbury today for a walk around and review. I've got an extraordinarily special 2019 Fat Boy to show you today. Now, before I get into this Fat Boy, if you're watching this as a Facebook reel, they're limited to 60 seconds, so I will post a link to the full walk around and review of this Fat Boy in the comments section. Now, this 2019 Fat Boy was sold new and built by Harley-Davidson of Danbury. This is a very special bike. It has only about 5,400 miles on it. It has, for 2019, factory Blue Max custom paint. Stunning, gorgeous, significant upgrade right from the factory. Now, I want to talk about this bike at two levels, cosmetically and mechanically, what we've done to it. Cosmetically, this bike is chromed out, but it's not flash chrome. It's not production chrome. This bike was chromed out by our dealership. All the parts, I'm going to walk you through them, were sent out to one of the top show car chrome platers in the entire country. They're no longer in business, but they were one of the top ones, Paul's Chrome Plating in Pennsylvania. So this bike is show chrome. So cosmetically, we're starting with 14-inch chrome Ape Hangers. We've got heated hand grips, chrome hand controls, braided steel cables. The entire front end is chromed. Detachable backrest and pad. The fender struts are chromed. The gauge housing on the gas tank is chromed. Chrome engine guard. All the rocker covers, cam covers, transmission top and side, all chrome, but goes further, and I'm going to get right to it. The rear fork and the inner fender, all chrome plated. The fender struts are all chrome plated. Now here's the big part. Crazy expensive. The wheels are chrome plated. They were done by Paul's Chrome Plating. They shine like mirrors. It is just a stunning blue and chrome motorcycle. You've got to see this bike to believe it. Now, let's talk a little bit about this Fat Boy mechanically. Super low mileage. We've just serviced it. It has a new battery, but those are the small details. Leave them aside because we took care of them for you. It's ready to ride, or what I like to say, it's road ready. But this is a Screamin Eagle Stage III 117. You've got Screamin Eagle mufflers, ventilator, air cleaner, all Screamin Eagle parts, Screamin Eagle tuner. This is a very powerful, effective, reliable, dependable, and warrantyable package. So Screamin Eagle Stage III big bore, lots of performance. There's not a mark on the motorcycle that I can find, and it's one of the best there is. So you've got the Milwaukee 8 117 Stage III, 6-speed transmission, belt drive, quiet, clean, virtually maintenance free. You can't find a better motorcycle. The bike sells for just under $26K, $25,995. Financing is available for approved buyers at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. So give us a call, 203-730-2453. Call us or come on down. Let's take this bike for a test ride. The weather is great. We've got great roads around here in Danbury, Connecticut. We're located exit 7 off I-84. And give us a call and come on down. And thanks for watching this video, because we've got some of the most unique and exciting one-of-a-kind motorcycles. And I want to give you one last important fact. This motorcycle cost over $50,000 to build. It's a great and tremendous value, a one-of-a-kind, awesomely powerful, beautiful-looking Fat Boy. Thanks for watching.